The Writing Process: Best Practice Research by Kelly O'Brien. The writing process can be very difficult for many students. Students may find the process to be strenuous if they struggle to come up with an idea to write about, if they struggle to come up with the words to include in their writing, if they become tired, or if they become bored. They may also struggle with this process if they struggle with demographic differences. Teaching students different strategies and offering them differentiated materials can support our students with this challenge. Today, I'll present 3 different strategies that can offer support and build motivation for students during their writer's workshop. The first strategy is ask, reflect, text. This strategy breaks down the writing process into 3 categories to make this process more attainable. The first category is ask. The student asks themselves about the details that they want to include in their story. What characters? Where is the setting? What will happen? The next category is reflect. The writer will reflect on how they will develop the story. Should they illustrate first, make a clay model, reference a mentor text, maybe check a class model? And the last category is text. Text is simply referencing writing the story. Ask, reflect, text emphasizes the use of various items and tools to enhance students' writing, memory, focus, motivation, and positivity with the writing process. As Dunn and Finley stated, with engaging activities and materials, they demonstrated their interest in writing and a desire to improve their skills. The next strategy is think, talk, text. This strategy encourages students to verbally plan their writing. This strategy follows with the mnemonic strategy: what I think, I can say, I can write. This strategy also has 3 categories. The first category is think, the students taking the time to think and plan out their writing in their head. The next category is talk. This includes the writer verbally stating their plans for the story. The last category is text, writing the story itself. In the study comparing 2 story writing mnemonic strategies, a randomized controlled trial study, Dunn stated, self-talk can help children strategize through a challenging task, such as idea generation for a struggling writer. The last strategy that I'm going to present to you today is digital storytelling. This strategy focuses on using pictures, music, and audio to tell a story. Digital storytelling has proved to enhance motivation, technology skills, research skills, organization, self-efficacy, and reflection. It has also decreased students' worries of their spelling, punctuation, and handwriting. Digital storytelling is also a great use of our 21st century technology resources. Digital storytelling helps students to learn how to plan, draft, revise, edit, and create their storyboard, as well as share it. In the article, The Effects of Digital Storytelling in Improving the Third Graders' Writing Skills, students who participated in the study showed growth in the development of ideas, organization, story elements, word choice, sentence fluency, conventions, quality of writing, word count, and their self-confidence. Though storyboarding has many benefits, we as teachers need to be mindful. This tool may highlight the divide between low and high socioeconomic areas due to the lack of resources that low socioeconomic areas may have. I will leave you today with the quote, "When students write, they think." We need to continue trying and teaching new strategies to keep our students motivated and excited to write. Thank you for listening.